Let's consider the following scenario. We have this age variable here and this message variable here. We are saying that if age is greater than or equal to 18, the value of message is going to be you shall pass, else message is going to be you shall not pass, and then we're going to console log that. That is fine in general and that works. I can come here to terminal, new terminal, and then I can say node ternary tap enter, and then it says you shall pass because age is equal to 21, and if we change it to 17 and we run this one more time, we're going to see that we have you shall not pass. Again, this is fine, but maybe you don't want this. Maybe you want to have this in a single line, and you can do that by using the ternary operator. With the ternary operator, we can abbreviate this operation in one line. Let me delete this, and let me also delete this, and I will say let message equal to, and I will open a parenthesis here, and I will say age greater than or equal to 18, and then I will say question mark here, which means that this is going to be either true or false. If this is true, then we want to assign this value that we're going to have here into this variable. This value is going to be you shall pass. Otherwise, we're going to evaluate this value that we have here, which will say you shall not pass. And this is exactly equivalent to what we have before. This is like saying if age is greater than or equal to 18, then the message that we're going to evaluate is you shall pass, so message is going to be equal to you shall pass. Otherwise, if this is not true, if this is false, then we're going to evaluate whatever we have here, which is you shall not pass, and therefore the value of message is going to be you shall not pass if this is false, which is the case right now because age is equal to 17. Let's do a test. Let's come here and I will repeat this execution and I will press enter, and as you can see we have you shall not pass because we console log message. Now let me change this to 18 for example, and I will save, and I'll come back here and I will run my JavaScript file one more time and I will press enter, and we have here you shall pass, which means that indeed with the ternary operator we can abbreviate simple if statements in a single line like this.